Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today guys, we will cook escabeche. The ingredients are garlic, onions, tomato, carrot, ginger, bell pepper. We have onion leaves. And this is some of the fried Dalagang Bukid fish. So guys, tan 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 tan. Dun, 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 dun. Now we will cook the escabeche sauce.
Kaya dapat tayo, may ano tayo, may grill tayo. Earthquake grill. Uy!
Now guys, we will put the cooking oil. Put the garlic. Then the onion. Now we will put the ginger. Mix them. Another menu or recipe being practiced for food of the family. Now I will put the tomato. That our escabeche will become sauteed. You can put the achuete guys to make the sauce orange in color. Sorry for my messy kitchen. I wasn't prepared to do a cooking vlog. I can smell the aroma. Of escabeche. Later on, guys, we will add vinegar, a little sugar, salt. You can add water with flour in order to make it a little bit sticky or saucy. I will get the vinegar this time. We will put some vinegar. We will add a little vinegar. This is Silver's one, sukang puti. Then we will add sugar to make it sweet and sour. Oh, that looks yummy. Guys, I get hungry already. The sauce of the escabeche. Now I will get the sugar. I just use brown sugar. And sprinkle on our recipe. I want it sweet and sour. That's enough. That's too much. It's now sweet and sour. We can add a little water to add the sauce. It's very somewhat drying. We will add little water. Water. For escabeche. Then we will let it boil. Salt. Now we will add the carrots and the bell pepper. I almost forgot the carrots, guys. I thought I was about to finish cooking. We should have placed the carrots earlier so that the other ingredients won't get overcooked. A little salt. Now it's done, guys. We're now going to put the sauce over the fish, fried fish. Here. You can also add the fish into the cooking pan while cooking. And you can add flour, which is dissolved in water. I don't have available flour today, so I just did not put some flour. It will become thick if you put some flour. Now guys, I will garnish with the onion leaves. Tan 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 tan. Tan 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 tan. Here is our escabeche. Hope you like it, guys. Let's have some. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. More onions. This is Escabeche, Dalagang Bukid. The name of the fish is Dalagang Bukid. Hello, come on. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Let's have our dinner. Thank you again.